there! Welcome to the Serendipity Needleworks snippet on how to make a bullion stitch. First thing you're going to want to do is bring your needle to the front of the canvas or the front of your fabric, wherever it is that you want to place your stitch. And then we'll call that point A. And then you're going to go back into the canvas at what we'll call point B. You're going to have a loop that you leave on the top of the canvas. Bring your needle back to the front at point A, which is where you started, and wrap your thread around your needle however many times it's going to take to cover that space from point A to point B. And that's going to vary depending on how far apart your starting your point A and your point B are. So once you get the wraps onto the needle, then hold on to them, push the needle up from the bottom, and you're going to have to kind of work those wraps over that eye if you're using a tapestry needle. Hold on to them with your thumb and your index finger and slide that thread through, the core thread through. And then you can let go and wiggle those until they're sitting snugly on the surface of the canvas. Take your needle to the back, tie off, and you're ready to go on to the next bullion stitch on your canvas. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.